Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix ChatGPT session expired. Now, if your ChatGPT session has expired and you just want to fix it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi and kind of data. So if your device is not connected to Wi-Fi and kind of data, then that may also be the reason why your ChatGPT is getting this type of issue. So if you have already connected to Wi-Fi and data and if you're still facing such kind of issue, then the best option is you just need to open your ChatGPT app and you just need to click on the option of three straight lines and click on your profile, and from here click on the option of log. So by logging out, you just need to sign into your account again, which is the best fix which I can suggest. So by logging into your account, this also helps to fixes the error in most of the cases. So if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't, then you just need to go to settings on your device, and from here you just need to search the app ChatGPT and click on the option of storage, which you'll find under the option of uses. So click on the option of ChatGPT and here you'll see the option of clear cache. So by clearing the cache, it helps you to fix the box or error which are already in the app. So that's it. That's how you can fix the ChatGPT session expired issue. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.